Hey everybody, it's Rusty out here in the shop. So today I'm working on my 2011 Chevy Express 1500 cargo van, putting some brakes on it. So let's see what we can do. Let's get at it. All right, here's the girl here. We're gonna put some rear pads on this one. So got my stuff ready, got my floor jack, and got a couple jack stands, safety first, right? So I'm gonna jack it up, loosen the tires a little bit, then we're gonna raise it up and put some floor jacks under it so it's nice and stable. All right, now that you got the tire off, I hope everybody's good with that. There was a 7/8 socket to take off the lug nuts. Got the van all jacked up. I got some floor jacks on it. Now I'm going to take the caliper off of the rotor. So I need a 14. I got a 14 metric shallow socket. There's 2 bolts on the caliper. You have a bolt here, and then you have a bolt on the bottom to take the caliper off. All right, so I'm a backyard mechanic. I'm telling you what I've learned, and I've changed a bunch of brakes on a bunch of these vans I've owned. I'm a contractor, so I use a bunch of these express vans. So trick that I've learned, I've seen guys use C clamps. I like a pair of vice grips that are big C's. So I will obviously put it up on the spring there, the shock. Take an old pad and I will stick it back in there. These are dual pistons, and I will use a pair of vice grips to put back in there and to collapse the pistons. So then when I put the new ones in that are a lot thicker versus the old ones, you know, those are pretty bad. So again, these are just tricks that I've done because I'm a backyard guy. So you have like a pin that goes into the bracket, and that pin should be able to move. So your caliper has a little slop in it. That way, everything moving around, it just collapses and nothing to seize. That's the proper way to have it. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. So you get your tire off, get it jacked up, have your vehicle safe with a floor jack. You take those two 14mm bolts off the caliper. The caliper comes off. There is a bracket here, and that bracket stays on. Compress the caliper, and then you put your new pads on, put your caliper back on. The other side is identical. So sometimes you got to kind of give it a little persuasion, kind of rock it in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Hit that bell, hit subscribe. More tricks, more stuff coming to you.